my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay, so it's not complete. It's kind of freezy here.
Oh my gosh, the curl is so very curling. I love it so much. Do you think curl will look good? I don't think so, but I love curls. Ito eh, that's it. Mag-study pa ko.
Okay, this is much better. I mean, nakita niyo pa ganun na akong lipstick and it's kind of pale and I love dark colors. And I love how I look. Ang ganda ko. Wala pa ko pa-study. Again, it's already 6:18 in the morning and pero sige lang, at least waka ko. Diba? You offer your life. Guys, drama kayo ang ano ron, ang government. I mean, it's almost 7:30. It is what it is. Ay, magbagyo na guys. Huwag yung guys suspend. Importante gata ko. Diba? Long pa diba? Hi guys, it's already 7:29 and wala pa si Sir Troy. Therefore, oh my god.
Presentation. Hopefully by Thursday, we have our activity. Hindi na siya presentation, no? Group, activity. Then hopefully we'll be able to please, bawit na sa on grades. In terms is approaching, so after lesson 2, we'll immediately proceed to lesson 3 so that we can have enough time to review, no? Since it's actually included in our syllabus that we'll be reviewing. And heads up, our reviews may be in a form of oral recitation like this one, or a written quiz. Okay? And sa tuwang exam, I will only be giving, no? 1 or 2 essay question, the rest is objective na siya. Hindi na kayo siya. But, siya, kung nakapagod ito, pwede ka pa. Kung ikaw other reason, probably for anyhow, please let's not be yourself, please let me show. Kaya ako siya most likely not be like, the other side, hindi na hindi na siya. And I have to be out of the rules, that's siya. But, I don't think it's very good as an analysis of sila, but all the content is but overall, that's specific like please support Sanchez, na wala yung absent for this class, and I still haven't received this paper, katulad yung mga reflection, or yung essay. Wala ko na-receive the paper niya, and wala sa recitation para students. Already do list activities, I'm not sure how we can bawi pa for the year. And kung tulog ako siya, please, yes. Naasya ka. Wala ko yung record niya na submission sa yung paper. Siya lang among all of the class. Wala pa nagsabi. I already have your grades for your written output. Okay, have me contact me if possible. Mr. Andre. That's all in class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Lord. Masyado pang maaga. Uy, ano na pang pabot sa sa. One na sa pabot. Huwag na, dili ko ngayon na binang shape. Kasi mga circle. Rectangle.
Okay, 11, baby blue polo, balot. 11, baby blue polo, balot.
Namalog daw ka?
11, blue polo. 11, blue polo, balot.
Ulo pa, uy, go.
Ano?
Hi everyone! Please subscribe to my channel. See you there. Buka kayo sa food. Happy birthday, Aldrin. Happy birthday, Aldrin.
Sabad, isi ka, tigididing ka karon.
Sa Jade. Say hi, Shane. And look at us. Dili ko uy ako waral for keeps. Guys, help me. Help us. Dito help me lang. Bahalag dili na sila apil. Lord, please. Talaga.
Practical way of working where social organizers bring people not on them because there are other ways, diba? Of a set of procedures and rules designed to meet the vision. Everyone all at once. We might not be able to gather everyone all at once. No? Nasa katanan, so we have to create a mechanism on how we will do it. Important discussion. So if you want to be man for your lesson learned! Oh my God! Sige, nakawa sa akin. Ito sa'yo!
I'm so pretty.
Yes, you have a free day.
Pasen.
Yes. Dili na ko isandoy for me lang ni.
Gaya na dyan yun.
Diba? Mag-jowa bells.
Nga, Jowa Bell.
Straight up. Hala, loner. Okay na ka, Drin? Ipakita na ko imong clips later.
Lami imong tulog ha.
Si Jade man sa tulog siya sa tubangan jud ni ma'am.
Uy, ako eh.
Tadana ko ano sa lamesa man sa ako eh. Ay tawag sa ano kanang sa lamesa. This floor mati tibon ha. Dili ulit pangalan sa ano. Dili ulit floor mati uy. Lagi sa bisaya ano. Ako sayal. Ako katin sa lamesa. Si purol. Oh, mantil.
Saya ba rin mo?
Daghag mantil, guys. Ay, God. Basta ramen. Ramen. It's already. Guys, sila kanta. Ika na namin. Wait lang, magdiling pagbahay. Wait lang. It's around here. Oh, it's here. Ta-da! And my love. Here's my love. So I'll consume one for tonight because mas kasabaan na putang father. And what else? Ito na guro ko eh, mag-green steak. Ano yung chips? Magtanong mo ko sa Lida later. Yeah. What else? Yes, that's it muna. I have, ano lang, shortcut. It's a shortcut. It's my business. Bye. Bagtik ang curls. But it's kinda messy. My hair is kinda messy. But it's okay. I look pretty now. And I just got my groceries. Natin. Broken ba tayo? Hawal siya guys. Kapoy jukuron. Like, oh my gosh. 6 hours tayong binug... 6 hours lang ba? I guess 6 hours tayong binugbog ng paaralan. Like, oh my god. It's okay. Kaya nakasurvive lang. And then I hope that actually 2 will be good. It will be a good performance of mine. But wait, basta. Let's see my ramen later. Bye na. It's a payong pan. So I just arrived at Tita's house, which is in Macasero, and then that's Lala. Hindi like she's so plastic. Like every time I arrive at this house, she goes like, "Oh my god, did she just pee?" Ay, kalimutan ko wala pa shoes, but whatever. I'm going to like, yeah, whatever. So hey guys, I'm not in my room right now. I'm at my ate's room, which is Marian's room, obviously. And then, what should we talk about? Sige lang, I'm going to eat my ramen. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been like forever. Because the curls in my hair is still there, but it's not that curly like kanina morning. But I still love how I look like. Like I'm so pretty. Nagiging narcissist na ako. Feel ako narcissist joke ko, pero who cares? Oh my god, I love the sound of opening a can and oh my god, mag-chat. It's already 8:36. It's already 8:36 and I'm going to message someone at mom's workplace so that masundo ko. Nag-on siya. Oh, nasira ang kanyang closing sign. What else? Anyways, ako lang make transition ko later. Dili ko po yun, pero feeling ko hindi ko I wanna rest, but I don't want to like rest lang because I also want to watch some movies. Like napakuig ka lang naman, which is the last part of Hunger Games. Oh no, nakapag-isa pa dito kay nag-rewatch ko sa Hunger Games, which is ano na lang, The Hunger Games Part 4 and Catching Fire Part 2, which is ay mali na ako. Basta Catching Fire Part 2 og katong kay Lucifer. Dito mag-message ko. Ano ko, di ba? Mali na say. Basim.